where historic. Beluchi anama videos ni biwai. Historic visit to the national headquarters of the Ghana Police Service. It was colorful as usual. The likes of Apia Stadium, Nomone, Omomaka, so this is the entry. IGP and let's listen.
It is intended to be a landmark event, marking a moment in history where two ancient responsibilities meet to begin a momentous conversation. So, the guardianship of values and the enforcement of law. One institution draws its authority from ancestral memory. The other draws its mandate from the Constitution. Yet both exist for one sacred task, the preservation of order, dignity, and peace in society. So, before we proceed upon the historic journey, let me, in the spirit of the new year, convey a message of glad tidings to the gallant men and women who make up the Ghana Police Service. So, we come with abiding gratitude to each member of the service, from the lowest constable to the top leadership gathered here today. So, for your selfless sacrifices to keep us safe over the year, and we bring you hope for progress and prosperity in the years to come. So, the Ghana Police Service is one of the institutional legacies bequeathed to us by our former colonial rulers. From the first Ghanaian who took over the mantle of leadership from the departing colonial commander, the highly distinguished Erasmus Ransford Terwia Majite, to the energetic leadership assembled here. So, today, the police service has gone through many challenging epochs. Changing political circumstances have impacted on the service in different ways. But it is fair to say that through it all, the service has maintained a level of commitment and professionalism we should be proud of. So, ordinary courtesies extended to us this morning, watching the ladies parade. I thought I should have worn my police dress to be here. I plead of the IGP to give me a police dress so next time when I can be a policeman. But this honor is not intended to me alone, but duly shared with the entire community of traditional rulers who are the guardians of culture. I'm pleased to be joined by me, President, and other traditional council members. I hope they share this honor with all of us.
We era to also Asantehene 246 to abiu and enra okopiemu ewo we nsrahwe a ebinsi da nti se wutie IGP a onso de to so se ebinsi da okokosra posifo ha komo omo headquarters, national headquarters of the Ghana Police Service. Then rano utia na just say 25 regional commanders. 25 regional commanders of Aiba no. Dr. George Akufu Dampare ba no. Okreti aha say yenya 2 additional regions. Nti across the country near 25 regions. Nti more 25 regional commanders. No mu nyina wo ho. CID boss and others obia. Nti so sha time I run no inspective parade no. So
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Is just say kutu
police for omnia opportunity. Ewo parade we no. Obi ade ne de ekoto.
Share.
Yeah. Or de ekotoa e kire ne ba se e kire bi we ka say in the year 2006
26
otumfo be sra police for one kind na me dim
I tell you.
Na me dim. What dear no one funny dear to be a gene video.
Na ɛnura mi sɛ COP Lydia Yakon Donko. Ɔposi bibi wɔ ne Facebook page. Si akwanya wanya ɛde akyia yewura. Na ɛyɛ akwanya ɛyɛ soronko kura ma no.
Me ba ha na mo yɛ mbibi ne Evans na yɛ me ya.
Adentia.
Otumfo yɛ so obekɔ akɔsra wo mu. System ebe fam letters ebe ba police preparation o ma yɛ. Enye easy o.
Enye easy.
Ah. Na me mamfa akonya we na me nchia me na mo amahene. Na me nchia. Me nkwa ne personality a. Say you do or some power be the mammy.
I don't cry enough. Why? I don't cry enough. The when you
many appointment now to for bomb in bedroom. Ghana, why am now who 200-700 crowd to enemy? Say John. Now, Otu for invite order.
Adaroma, baby.
Say John is a me bassy and I'm a tenacia, also saw me so.
Meso so do. There's all about Mr.
Me when you Otu for Dobapa and Nanan pa on me. Otu for Abrimpong. No bom din obedwam ya busa abram amamre otu first sorry no start ya ni nua manum na brimpon no ko ayo bo poma me pese me hu me na na poma mon friend mame na me na kanta krache ni acha me hene na no poma way no dan me post me tia ese ko no Evans o hene abodin da
okay
nam kwanso enche
nya mai
e bo busa so abodi obo
dabi
ye no so yi na no se dabi na nam kwa
so na me mpo me pede
ba me matis say ni tia no
oni
se ni na de
bia na send ya be yo obodi no
that is enough
na ayi CID boss
police commander na ni ji age no
any CID boss ever so ho na da we
ya ko donko
Evans Kamae
what say meeting His Royal Majesty Otumfo Seitu the second today on his historic visit to the national headquarters of the Ghana Police Service was deeply insightful. His wisdom on conflict resolution and community harmony resonated strongly with the work we do at the CID, where maintaining peace and ensuring justice depend on trust between the people and those who serve them. True leadership inspires peace and peace sustains justice.
Nti o se sa nsrahwe ye ba so yi ya ebinsi da
na nya grow
na
we nya grow
aya kwanya
de wo pictures o de kobobo ho no
na ohunu se yewura nso visitor ba ye abie kwan
Sir John
ama sa kwanya na be adekase se nhihye wo ho e de ma Ghana Police Service on betima boa ama asumdue aba ye communities mu yewura visiti ahyemu kena pa na yewura kansen bi o se amamre ene amane epija ni mu a ye de nidie ene obuo e de maya amamre ene amane a boniye
bekofom
ekofem simple nti yemfa nhyem na ni nyina no emwaye oboma nti this is it nti
obia kwaje ne de Sir John man panyin bi besra me ewo me fie na Sir John me ne court me yes o me enko me office na Sir John da me ka se ohene busa se na opoma we mon friend mame no cameraman na we chiri no etwa because who say Sir John Otumfo chiawa onche but o che no kan wasu sema na che so do
ebini COP leader de wo de hwade o ɔkyea ne wie hɔ
o kana sumsam
yes
even to know when da be na benya bi
na me che say
abeche
oh
abeche nam kwan mu ba abeche
unim o ka bible no a wo say
beche
wadwen nye nyame madwen ebetimi aba say wo de ohun ni say beche but ebi kura no a wo ka say wie no nyanko
okay betimi si say don ti yes an ohini papa no busam say na me machia otumfo da say your man panyin nobleman am oh no ohini de say etoda kura o boni nananum no ogun sa say nyame nhyira obomi din bi was me sure o hwe picture many were three different pictures oh say John in Princess Anne say John in Princess Anne
there baby
Princess Anne on the Prince Charles achi
ayo
unim no
minimum
oba besra otumfo because of ohine dominti
unim no
yeah ko hia me ma chia nsem
Sir John no that no makumase
no makumase on Princess Anne bo otumfo nipa okase enko hia mo airport regional minister osesibe achempem hene na chiame hene opoman yeah introduction me kwa na Princess hia me too
afi be asem na okay
oh it's about 6 years or so
no my no sabrono
6 years Akoma ba yenya how many years
no say
Akoma ba yenya how many years
Akoma na do buy
na because Akoma ba yenya how many years
about 20
say John the jawe
20 how many years
me say me man na wo ba obo ne ma no aba
say John now the regional minister introduction also meaning the speaker of our local parliament your district assembly Princess Anne Ochot oh no asanchia me biem opoma ohene se mo amoko akohia princess na champion ne lead here regional minister say mo opoma nka ho bi na me abrochire hene Prince Charles na chiri ba ne nua machia ne nsem machia otu va na wotu na so wo friends na me dey hu Princess Anne
okay so
enti na hwese Princess Anne se me ba besra wotumfo mo tesoro a na mo ni abre ka opportunity one e besra mbanya bi ohina yi okoheze ena obi ade story no u betimi akasa ma akotodwo abubu bam the same thing t-shirt na
Akoma FM 87.9
t-shirt na wodo to ohina nye akwone ka wan to obi o won to ma hene wodo ho betoto ohene kasa sa t-shirt na ye de ya bia e de na be ohene no be okọ ba bia me say okọ ex yi so ba bia o just one visit opa me ma Donald Trump kura me twa okro mu bia ante ni den asante ka asem bi say jom kan say si ni o din ne ebo ye trans ni e ka asem nya so o ma 100 atras ma ha e man mu ni e say Evans maame
Akoma FM 87.9
Sir John maame eno kire din a Evans wo Sir John edi anwo nya say osu na mu ye be 300 asante o mu ka say o si ni o din ni e dey ye bo
Sir John so din
said odi
right opoma me da say mame Evans nkum ujano oni bibia say me dey my fast the man narrow light international company
yes yes